Yelp login, sign into Yelp account on Yelp app. If you wish to sign into the Yelp account on the Yelp app, it is very simple to do so. All we have to do is, first of all, launch the Yelp application, and this is the interface you will see. You can tap on the more icon located at the bottom right, then at the top you will say sign up or login, so you want to tap on it. Now, if you already have an account, you can just go ahead and enter your email and tap on login, but if you don't and you want to create a new one, you can tap the sign up button from the bottom. Now, assuming that you have an account, you can go ahead and enter its email address right there. On the next page, you can enter the password and login. But on the other hand, if you link your Yelp account with your Google or other services, you can also tap on the continue with Google option right there. And over there, you can simply choose the Google account on which you linked your Yelp account with. And right after that, you'll be successfully logged in to Yelp account on the Yelp app. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.